So guys, welcome to this tutorial. Now we're going to see what are nested functions. So like we use nested loops and nested conditions like if and all. Similarly, we can use nested functions. That is function inside function. That's all. So for example, if you want to check even and odd, a simple example. So first of all, you have to take. I'll make two functions. First of all, a function for taking in the variables and all, and after that printing if it is even function or odd function. So first of all, let us define a function to take in. So I'll call it a scanner to make it sound a bit cool. And after that, what I'll do, I'll just write n equals to, this will be the integer input now, because I'm going to take this number as input, and this is going to be used inside any other function that I'm going to check. So now I want to check if this n is even or odd. For that, I'll define another function called say even odd. This is just a random function, and this function will take in a parameter of n, and inside this function now it will have another separate indentation. So this whole thing after this. So this whole thing is in one indentation, and after this whole thing is in other indentation. So in that way. So what you will do now, so if actually you'll have to use if condition. So if n modulo 2 equals to 0, it means it is an even number. So I'll just return even. I think you don't know what is return and all, so actually let's just print out even so that we understand. I'm going to take a tutorial on return and all afterwards in next tutorial actually. So I'll return even if n is n modulo 2 is 0, and not if actually else. Obviously if the number is not even, it is obviously odd. So I'll print out odd. Okay, done. So now what I have to do is I just have to call this function inside this other function. So I'll have to call even and odd inside this function called scanner. So I'll just simply call it even odd of n now, and obviously because that you can change this variable to a, so that we understand what is happening. So n will be n and a will be linked, you can say. So it will check for a, that is n, we are passing n over here, so it's fine. So when we run this program, it will simply, actually we will have to call scanner first. And now let us run this code, and it will ask us some input. So I write 34, it is even, so obviously afterwards let us write 35 odd. Fine. So I'll tell you what is happening. So this function is obviously not seen at the first time. First of all, this Python controller will go to the scanner, it will search for this function, then it will see yes, this is the scanner function. Then inside it will take n as the input, that I enter 34, 35, whatever, and afterwards it will see this function. Actually afterwards it will not see this whole function first. Then after this statement, it will jump to this statement, it will see even odd, it will search for this even odd, it will see it is over here, then it will link this n that I passed over here to this a, and it will check if it is divisible by 2, then obviously if it is, then it is divisible by 2, then it is even, or else it is odd. So that's all that I did. So I think that's all for nested functions. Thank you.